ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the latest POV drive with Aziz Drives. And as you can tell, we are sitting in a very interesting car. I'm going to give you the stats and then I will just shut up and drive. It's a right-hand drive car and it's a Nissan Skyline. It's not the GTR, it's the GTT, which is basically the rear-wheel drive version of that sick car. But what we do have is we have the GTR body kit, we have a Nismo conversion here, also the gauges, also the turbo boost, etc. Everything is trimmed to Nissan GTR. You can see the full review from the outside and inside in the clip, in the description, or by the end of the video. And also we have a full driving experience where you see me driving it really hard, plus we took a passenger with us, also link in the description. So now let's try a little bit what this car is all about, because we have the RB25DETT engine, which is the part of an Skyline GTT. It's not the GTR. That means we have the 25DETT Neo engine, and that basically means we have a 2.5 liter inline 6-cylinder engine, turbocharged, that should produce 280 horsepower and about 360 Nm in the Neo conversion. This though, this produces about 500 horsepower and about 700 Nm to the real wheels. And I should demonstrate that to you right now. Let me open the window for full sound exposure. A lot of motorcycles today. What the fuck is going on here? Oh! A 458 Speciale. Very nice. Okay, have a listen to that. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Absolutely crazy, and it lays so stable around those corners. The brakes are pretty, yeah, struggling. Slowly and continue on. You know, the interesting thing is nothing happens up to about 5,000 RPMs, and then all of a sudden it just becomes this incredible beast of a car. Okay, so I have some troubles with the rear brakes, so let me just pull the e-brake a couple of times. Now it's good again. All right, have a listen. You witness the problems you have with a car with this live with me here. Typical JDM stuff, tuned to the absolute max. Of course it's going to have some troubles. Okay, first gear. Let's go around this corner here and let's see. It's really difficult to drive this car. Also because of the sound it produces here. Okay, I think it should be a little bit better now. This is just an incredible car. You see me pulling the e-brake, etc. The owner was right with me a couple of seconds ago, so he told me I should do that. So don't worry about it. Throttle response is so direct. Sorry for that. I'm trying my best so you can experience this fully on. It's like it's playing sounds, man. Okay. You know what? Let's accelerate from 0 just one time. So this is a difficult task to do because the clutch is very aggressive. So what I will do is I will just try to kind of, yeah, just boost it a little. Now full power. Ah, god damn it, this is so difficult. Can't really drive around here, man. All of those people. That rear brake is gone, man. God damn it, I wish I would have new brakes and to give it that experience a little bit better, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I can't do anything about it. I tried my best and hopefully you enjoyed it a little bit. All right, let's continue with the driving experience of this fantastic car. So I sorted out that little e-brake problem. Now you can fully experience what this car is really about on a very nice, easy road. Listen to that beautiful thing. Oh, it's just so beautiful to listen to. Oh my god, man. See how beautifully it handles those bumps? It's just fantastic how it goes. It's really a fantastic car. Let's give that motorcycle a little bit space. Okay, and let's accelerate out. See that? Look how beautiful it goes. And so beautiful. I wish you could smell this. It's just incredible how this car smells. Look at that. Left, right, left, right. Wow. Yeah, friends, I think that's about it for the drivings review, man. Very happy and glad I could show you that. Very happy I could drive this car, and see you on the next one.